Did you know a teenager once risked his life by refusing to eat the king's food? Meet Daniel. He was just a kid when enemy soldiers dragged him away from home to Babylon. The king wanted to train the smartest young captives to serve in his palace, but there was a problem. The king ordered them to eat his rich meat and drink his wine every day. Daniel knew this went against everything he believed in, so he made a crazy request. Give me and my 3 friends only vegetables and water for 10 days, then compare us to everyone else. The guard was terrified. If these boys got sick or weak, the king would kill them, but Daniel convinced him to try. 10 days later, something incredible happened. Daniel and his friends looked healthier and stronger than all the other captives who ate the king's fancy food. God blessed Daniel's courage. He became so wise that he eventually rose to become the second most powerful man in not one, but 2 massive world empires. Sometimes standing up for what's right leads to the most amazing places.